We built our own box and packed it too.
Creativity, nostalgia, business. What are you building with Legos?
Welcome guys to my channel. This is Shant with CK Collection, and make sure to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and comment if you have any questions regarding making boxes. So how to make a box? Let's keep it very simple, guys. From my experience, I'm not an expert at making boxes. I have not made thousands of boxes, but I've learned from trial and error. Make sure, especially if you are sending a box like a Lego set and you don't want the corners to get damaged, because they will if the box is too tight, make sure that for each side you measure, each measurement you get, add 4 inches. The way USPS works, your box has to be ridiculously out of dimensions. I think 24 inches, 2 feet or 3 feet for you to be in the next category. I haven't had trouble with adding a couple inches to the measurements. From what I calculated, if I'm correct, this should be $10 to $15 range. Alright, so once you got your measurements down and you have your large piece of cardboard laid on the ground, the way the measurements work is on the sides you start. So let's say we measured 6.5 inches for this side. Well, what you do is divide this by 2, you get 3 inches and a quarter. So you see how we have this flap right here? Alright, so that's going to be, you're going to trace that out. And then, all you need to keep in mind is you're going to have these 2 large sections. This is 11.5 by 14.5. So you're going to measure the width, 11.5, and then add another 6.5, and then another 11.5, and the half of this side, which is 3.25. Then you measure your length and add the same half that we just talked about, 3.25 to the top and 3.25 to the bottom. As far as all the flaps are concerned, honestly, I like to keep it simple and just have the larger flaps from the large sections. So anything that exceeds the other sections, apart from the large ones, you cut those flaps out. You don't really need them. So just have the flaps extending from the large sections. And that's pretty much your layout. And then we score the cardboard lightly, just to make sure that we could fold it. We don't want to cut it through. It's very easy to go all the way through. Actually, if you want to, you could even get a tool that scores cardboards. You can look it up on Amazon. It does exist. It's out there. But I like to use, I'm okay with my cardboard cutter. and that's how you make your own box. This one took me about, I'd say, 1 hour. I do need more practice. The tape was all over the place, and I got a little confused with the flaps, and then I'm like, oh wait a minute, I don't need these ones while packing it. While actually building the box. But that's how you build a box. And if you have any questions or comments, comment down below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. I am Shop with CK Collection. I do cover material around Legos, selling online, and the investment of Legos and collecting and anything Legos with a business twist to it. So again, welcome to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.